Hey guys, welcome to Bangkok Travelers. So today is very special day for us because we are going to introduce you one new member of our team, that is my motorbike Kawasaki Ninja. Sorry, that is not Kawasaki Ninja. That is Kawasaki Z300. It is same like Ninja, but it doesn't have pairing. It is upright position and it is amazing bike. So we are going out for one small ride around Bangkok city. In Bangkok there is no hard lockdown, so we can go for some bike tour, little bit bike tour. Let's go out and I'll show you my new bike. Let's go.
Yeah.
So I recently bought one new bike, motorbike here in Bangkok, Kawasaki Z300, and I got very good deal here. The price is around 64k Thai baht, and the bike is amazing. It's have very good power, and let's check out my bike. So let's go. It's raining outside.
Hey, come.
Today is very good day. Hey, this is my bike Kawasaki Z300. Let's check out the sound. So in this bike, acrophobic exhaust is pre-installed, and the sound of parallel twin is just amazing, man. It's having some vroom vroom bass sound. Yeah, and this I have bought this windshield for long ride.
না চলে আসবো
It's been a while I'm not riding this bike, so let's warm up the engine a little bit. So what I like about this bike has same engine of Kawasaki Ninja 300, and it's having some upright position, so it is better for your back, and you can go for some touring in road, and it has very good power. Actually in Thailand you can get very good deal for such bikes here, because there are a lot of riders are here and lot of groups you can find for riding. And there is a cool group, Thailand International Bikers. I'm planning to join with them for a great bike ride in near future. This year we wanted to go for one road trip in Thailand, but it got cancelled because of COVID situation here. So hope so it will get better soon, and after that we'll go for one great ride around Thailand, and we will record some amazing content for you guys. Yeah, currently we are in Sukhumvit 71 road, and you can see that few traffics are here, because in Bangkok there are no hard lockdown. Lot of people are going out, but from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. there is curfew that you cannot go out, otherwise there is a very big amount of fine. So yeah. So now we are going to Lotus near my condo. You can see my condo straight off that building. So that is my condo, Base Park East. Yeah. So this is Lotus.
बहुत सारा शॉपिंग कर लिया हम लोग raining here, the weather is amazing. You can see lot of people in the street.
guys, thank you for watching our video. We hope that you like this video. A lot of new vlogs are coming soon. Please try to stay at home. If you want to go out, then please wear mask and have a safe distance with other people. So please stay healthy and safe. Bye bye. See you next time.